World Consumer Rights Day is commemorated each year on March 15th. The annual international event signifies a celebration and solidarity in the international consumer movement, demanding that consumer rights be respected and protected. Director of Consumer Guidance and Protection at the Ministry of Trade and Industry, Camille McIntyre, said, being a vigilant consumer means that a consumer must understand the marketplace.
They should do comparative shopping to get the best price.
Another important thing consumers must do when purchasing a product is research.
A lot of times we may go to a supplier and just buy the first thing we see or like, and afterwards we realize we paid too much for it.
After research is done and the purchase is made, the consumer must also do a full inspection of their item.
You're looking for damages or defects.
Ms. McIntyre added that many businesses tend to include on receipts or signage in their establishment that they are not facilitating refunds or exchanges, but this, she said, is illegal. She said advocates of the division conduct visits on a regular basis to share this information with business owners.
Otherwise, this is one prohibition that has a fine with it. So we'll tell them about the fine. It can be $5,000, $10,000, and so forth.
When it comes to redress, she said the division has seen an increase.
We had about 752 complaints, of which 87% was resolved. So we had a good resolution last year.
If the business does not comply, redress can be taken a step further.
We encourage them to go to the petty civil court where they could get redress from a magistrate who would make a decision on the matter.
When it comes to construction or handyman services, Ms. McIntyre has this advice.
If you're inviting a contractor to do work for you, once the value of the work is $50,000 or less, we have a handyman service contract at the Consumer Affairs that you can get. So this is a contract that would guide you with your scope of work.
Each year, World Consumer Rights Day adopts a theme to highlight. This year, the theme is empowering consumers on clean energy transitions. The Ministry of Trade and Industry will be engaging with the public on this topic through its webinar. Consumer rights means that every person who buys various products, goods, and services has the right to have information on the quality, purity, price, and standard of those products. Mahalia, Joseph-Wharton, TDT News.